Changing your payout method on UpCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information easily. Step 1. Log into your UpCloud account. Access your UpCloud account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, locate the billing or account settings section in the dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select payout methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Payout to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to add or change your payout method. You may be prompted to enter details for the new method such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout method information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to verify that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on UpCloud. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to UpCloud support for assistance.